Hey, what's up, y'all? Fishing all right out here. I'm on the boat with Captain Kel. Captain Kel, say what's up to him.
What's up, y'all?
The goal of the day is we're gonna try to get ourselves some redfish. We're out here on the flats. Gonna try to, like, you know, comb them and use some artificials.
You might see some fishing too.
Yeah, it's a pretty low tide, so we're gonna be fishing about a foot of water all day today. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can get into it and get ourselves some fishes. All right, y'all. So we're gonna do something a little bit different. I got a ladder. Oh my God! We're gonna fish off the ladder and hopefully not fall. I got her ratchet strapped down. Yep. Yeah. All right. Come on now. Let's get up here. Check out this view. Oh, this is sketchy. This is really sketchy. Oh, but man, is it worth it. Look at that, guys. We got a whole view. Oh man, Captain Kel, I can't reach the trolling motor. Shoot, I didn't even anticipate that.
You want me to push pull you?
Yeah. Let's get some push-pull action in here, baby. We're in the flats. And dadgummit, I really hope we catch ourselves a fish. Look at that stick down there from all them hurricanes and stuff. Yeah, that bait's swimming real nice. This would be great for fly fishing. But I think it's too much movement. I'm not... Oh! Okay, gummit. First bird's nest of the day. Alright, so it looks like there's a big sand pocket, like a deep channel up ahead. About 30 yards. I would anticipate there being some sort of... Oh, here we go, we got a follower. Oh, and she swam off. That was a little baby red. On the way in, we saw plenty of overslot reds. 36 plus inches. And man, that was ooh, there's a sea turtle. Man, we're seeing a lot up here, man.
Some structure. You see it? There's our sea turtles. There's like a sea turtle haven right here. Like peak low tide. Yeah, it's still going out. So it's only gonna get shallower. But we still have about a foot. Nope, had a little bite. Some trout. That's what you need. Good. Beautiful.
Oh, there it goes again. I was in Swanee River, this guy had a bucket of sail cats. And he was like, man, you get the electric knife on him, you get some good fillets. And I'm like, yeah, I guess. You know, you fry anything, it'll taste good. Except for muddy garfish.
Bro, you know some crazy shit?
Mm.
That's exactly what bro said yesterday.
Oh, for real?
He was like, anything tastes good fried. I'm like, you're right.
Back on deck. Had to man the trolling motor. Man, it's been you know, the conditions are optimal, but you know, we're having a tough time right now. It's been a little bit difficult trying to get these fish to try to bite.
Done it.
Goes on one. Oh, it's a nice one too. Oh, the hurt. Man. How you feel? Hurt. Hey, it's okay. There's more.
Nice one too.
I know, right? And you had a view. Tighten your drag.
It's nice to get some action.
That's what I'm saying, bro. That was a good one. Fish. Huh?
Go all the way to get the fish thing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah? Oh, good little shot. Bada boom. Oh, it's keeper too. Yeah.
It's official.
It's official. On the board.
For real.
Oh, yeah. There we go. It's, what is it? Who do we got here? A little trout ski? Yeah.
There's a bunch of them.
I know.
They sit right here.
They're deep right here. Ooh, hold on. I'm back. Oh, calm down. You're okay. Come on. I'm trying to let you go. There we go. Get out of here, Bubba.
Oh, it's big right here.
For real? You remember Paul Heyman?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Fat
Yeah, he was the hype man for
Undertaker. Whoa, my goodness! Oh, it's a nice redfish. Here we go, baby. Come on in the boat. Yes, sir. Bada bing, bada boom. Came out of the blue. Yes, sir. Ooh, come on now. I got you. You're okay. You're all right. Yeah. Shout out to Paul Heyman. He needs to get on some, Oh, oh, beauty. Yeah, she's alright. I need to get us out of this predicament. Uh-huh. Alright, redfish. Uh-oh. Alright, well, we're in the predicament now. You know what I'm saying? A Giglionosaurus?
Yeah, Giglionosaurus.
Sounds like you just made that up.
Huh?
Watch out, I'm coming up.
T-Rex had the spiky head. They were in Argentina.
Oh, word?
Yeah, we had T-Rexes up here in North America.
Yeah, they have they have sites where they have T-Rexes. Oh shoot, I crossed your line, might be. Oh, that was a big red. Oh, that was a ginormous red, bro.
Yeah, I see him.
You still see him?
Yeah, he's swimming up.
That's tough. You bit it too, bro. Let's fish out of here. Oh.
Bro, who told you you find with my ladder, bro?
Oh my God!
All right, so if we slow it down, we can see the back of the legs of the ladder got pushed off of the cooler, even though it was ratchet strapped down very tight. But something else was different here. Michael was sitting on the front of the ladder, and my theory is if you listen to the footage, you can hear him and see him fart. Boom.
Oh man. Well,
What happened?
I don't know. All right, well,
It was fun while it lasted.
it was fun while it lasted. We're okay.
The dudes on that boat were like, fucking dumbass.
For real. All right, so the ladder wasn't the best idea. It
was an alright idea.
It was all right, but we're gonna work on it. Gotta maybe do some more safety things.
This is just day one.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Now, you know, the visibility's not the best right now because of the sun and the wind and all that. So, you know, the ladder, you know, we'll get it right next time.
That's not good, my baby.
Let the fish be the judge of that. Yep. They agree too. What is this? It's very passive. No?
This package.
No, it's a red.
Red.
Yeah.
Big one too.
Yeah, she's nice. Oh, he's hooked up. Hell's hooked up. We're doubled up, baby. We're doubled up. We're doubled up. You got him in?
He's big.
What?
Bro, he just spit out a fucking... Look what he just spit out.
No, that was there
Yours
already.
is huge, bro. Holy shit.
Yeah, yeah. Let's get it, buddy.
No, he spit this out. I watched it.
No, that's
Nah, it's
dry.
big, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Bro, yours is fucking huge.
That's what she said. Pull up for the 360 real quick. Let's go, baby. We're fishing right now.
We're fishing right now.
We're fishing right now. That's what I'm talking about. I feel good now. I took a little tumble earlier, but yeah, no, we came back. We came back, baby. Yeah, swam off nice. Boom. Let's get another one.
Fall in the water, bro. If you would have fell in the water, you would have.
That's true. But yeah, no, I didn't learn my lesson. I'm still up high. We can keep working down. I want to sit up in the front and spot. All right, pull up to a new location. We're gonna try to target some more fishes. If they come across our way, we're gonna get them. All right, Captain Kel. Yeah. Oh yeah. Troutski. Come on now. She's all right. Yeah, she's all right. Oh, for real. Come on now, come on now. Come on now. Damn, buddy. What a beauty. Boom. Get back. Get bigger. How's it? Is that little trout put up a good little fight? Put up a good little fight.
Damn, dog.
Oh my god. I didn't realize you were in the
Did
cut.
you realize what you were doing
I
there?
didn't realize.
That's some hating shit.
I think there's rocks up here. All right, live target time. Oh yeah, Mr. Captain Cow. Oh, flounder. Oh.
Inshore slam, baby. Inshore slam, baby.
Inshore slam? What?
I done had like 3 flounders.
That's what's up. I like it. Let's see those eyes. Look at them eyes. Look at them eyeballs. Crazy little fish. He's a smart little guy. Oh, there we go. There he is. Oh, yay! Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, 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 I know that I hurt you. I was a child trying to be a man. I walked out on my only fish. Now I'm standing right here. Yep, just like that. Oh man, why? Oh, I got a shoulder cramp. Oh, my shoulder. Oh, my shoulder. Oh man. That's a big old trout too.
Damn.
Yeah.
Bro, that's fucking huge, bro.
Yeah, that's a big one. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Come in here, baby. Take a look at you.
Damn.
I know, right?
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right. Quit. 22-inch trout. Let's go, baby. She swam off. Nah, bro, he swam off. Come on now. Stop. Make me feel bad. That was a good fish. We should probably... Whoa, another big one.
Trout.
Yeah. Wait. I don't know. Red? Oh, red.
Well, I need to put the mirror on.
For real. Watch out, Captain Cal. Let me get. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on now. You're all right. Bada bing.
Yeah, you got 40.
Oh, you got him? Little trout and redfish combination. Oh, got him. Oh yeah. Five spots. Look at that.
And then he got two eyes on this other side. You see this other side?
Yeah, he's got, you got the eyes there. You're choking. Don't choke your trout, bro. That's hilarious.
Get
Boom.
Slime with you.
Slime season.
Put that in the creek. Proven now, because I always catch a flounder. It's proven.
Whoa. Whoa. What is that?
Another big ass trout.
Shoot. Ah, my shoulder.
He hit his finger with the water. Another big ass trout.
Big trout. Wow. Probably should have stocked up. It's got some ice before we left. My goodness. Dang, buddy.
He's big as fuck too.
Real. Oh. You're okay, you're okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You're alright, you're alright, you're alright, you're alright, you're alright. Come on. That one's sick. Hey, gummit. That's a live target for you now. Whoa, it's like every cast, bro. Nah, I think it's stuck.
It's like every cast.
Oyster bed. Careful.
Oh shit. I didn't know.
We should have. We're gonna hit, bro. Careful, careful. Cut it. When we lift up the motor. Oh, I got my lure back. Oh, Kel's got an oyster bar. Kel's got an oyster bar. Yeah, it's really shallow up here, dude. Uh-oh. Did I lose any hooks? Nope, still got all my hooks. Oh, big redfish. Oh my goodness, that was massive, bro. He's already spooked.
Because you opened your fucking mouth.
Oh, you fucker. Dude, we're gonna hit this oyster bar and they're all gonna get scared. See? Can we go and get that? Ding. No! No! Cal! Cal! Ah! Wait! Stop! Come back! Come back! Come on.
Well, you know that.
Yes! We got it! Let's go! Huzzah!
Didn't I tell you? He's like, yeah, you did what you did.
There he is. Yeah. Little trout ski. I know, right? Oh, it's a little red. It's got one. Little rat red.
Mine out here. He was like, yeah, I thought you don't smoke one. And I was like, the dude was like, he even said it too. He's like, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's more some big.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Here we go, buddy. Little trout ski. Oh, it's a little red ski.
Keep catching them.
Oh, buddy. He got hooked 3 ways. You can grab me that. Not a beauty. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh! Alright, I think we might have gotten ourselves in a predicament. Ooh, it opens up real good up back in here. Yeah. Yeah, we might get lost, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Gun so big I had to get out, truck and cock it. I'm going stupid. I'm going blanca. Fuck my baby mama. Fuck. I hope I jump her. That big sister. So strong deal. My chopper got your rag clip. You heard that?
No.
I'm finna play that shit for you when we get to the car, nigga. You ain't never heard that?
No.
Oh, you got mosquito on your neck or something.
Still there?
You need to keep pushing.
I agree. I agree. I concur to that statement, sir. I concur to that statement, my good friend. Oh, yes. I see you know your kung fu.
Real mother fan. That's another big ass.
Oh my God, bro. What? That is a monster trout. Yeah. Because I want a steak later, baby. Let's go. Got another 22. There you go. Big mama. Let's go. Let's get another one. You got it?
You think the white man told your car?
Maybe.
He was like, nah, you. I like that. What is that? Oh, bro, it's like there's one trying to take it from him, bro. There's one trying to take it from him. He's huge, dude. There's one trying to take it from him, bro. There's this whole school of them, Zach.
No, bro.
I got it, man. Bro, it's the biggest redfish I've ever had.
I need that too. I need that too. Wait. Yeah.
One at a time. You got better hooks than me.
No, but I don't know if he's stuck good.
Oh, I got him stuck. Bro, this is a big ass fucking fish, bro. Oh my god.
Go. Hook yours and then let me get in there.
Bro!
Let me get it.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Bro!
Oh my goodness, bro.
Bro, I just caught the biggest redfish in my life. There was one trying to take this from him.
For real?
Yeah.
This is bigger than mine.
This is the biggest one of the day, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. We're fishing right now. Man. That was sick.
That was awesome.